afternoon, evening people, whatever time it is, wherever you are. So the hive inspection on this hive about 5 days ago, couldn't see any brood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this hive up, have a look, see if there's any brood in there, and if not I'll talk through the reasons, potentially, why not. Don't be afraid of using a bit of smoke. This frame is a plastic frame I put in there. I've never used plastic frames before. It's a bit of a test. I want to see if the bees will draw it out, how long it will take them. They've started. Get some frame rests in. I feel that frame's heavy. That frame's full of honey. It's full of honey. No brood. Honey again. Honey again. Bit of honey, no brood. I've noticed a drop in population as well. So there's a few things. A few weeks ago, hive inspection, I had 9 frames of brood in there, 9 or 10 frames out of the 11, and I saw queen cells, so I knocked them down thinking they were swarm cells. So either A, they were queenless and those are emergency queen cells and I've knocked them down, now they're queenless, or B, I missed a cell, they've made a new queen, they've swarmed, hence why there's a drop in population, and there's a newly mated queen in there, I haven't started laying yet. So courses of action. Okay, so at this point there's something I forgot to mention. I didn't mention it because it's not an option to me. The DS answer would be to put a test frame in, a frame of eggs. If the bees then make emergency queen cells, you know you're queenless. However, this is currently my only colony, so that's not an option to me. So this is why I don't mention it. I wait another week, do another inspection, see if there's any brood. If there is, confirms there is a new queen, she started laying. If there's not, I introduce a new queen. Other course of action is I just introduce a new queen straight away. But that's a risk, because if there's another queen in here, they'll kill the new queen and I've wasted 40 quid. So I'll be for every frame, confirm there's no brood, and I think there's a drop in population. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that about a week now, go back in, if there's still no brood, I'm going to introduce a new queen and see what happens there. So I will be doing it on video as well, so subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it, and I'll bring you back to this colony in about a week.